Hi, I'm Kenji Sajasa, 22 years old, from Barangay Loc, Nasug, Batangas, and from the school, Batangas State University, TNEU, and I'm currently enrolled at the program Bachelor of Arts in Communication. So, natutunan ko po so far is the editing and then content creations, also yung pakikisama po, the connections, and yung pakikitao po, especially sa mga member here sa studio, and the people around here is very helpful. Creative Voices Productions have lots to offer for me, so that offers, siguro yun yung magiging grounds ko para sa aking mga learnings na i-gain in the future. Hello, I'm Kenji Sajasa, and I'm certified CV intern.